Lesson number 60, Patterns. Children, you must have seen many bedsheets. Some of them have dots, some of them have blobs, some have geometrical designs, some have zigzag patterns, some have leaves. But one thing is common in all bedsheets is the patterns are repeated. Every pattern is repeated after some time. There is a sequence. Now, if you look at this zigzag pattern, there is a difference in color: yellow, light blue, gray, brown, darker green, aqua green, then again that yellow, then blue. So, like that, there is a sequence, a repeated design. Even in this quilt, you can see the same thing. The bands, the zigzag bands, are repeated but with varied colors. You can see tiles with beautiful patterns printed on them. Even long time ago, during Mughal emperor's time, they used these kind of patterns on their walls, on their tiles, and even some of their colored windows. Man gets the idea of pattern from nature. He copies from nature itself. Look at this snake. Such beautiful, colorful patterns are on its body. Any reptile for that matter, chameleon or any other snake, and even the shell of a tortoise has a pattern. Like that, even shells, cowries, conches, mushrooms like this have different types of patterns on them and with varied colors. A bark of a tree, when it is cut, you can see this kind of pattern on it. The fronds of coconut tree are arranged in such a sequence that you'll be amazed at the beauty of it. They are perfectly symmetrical. Symmetrical means the right side and the left side are similar. They just look like the other side. So, and the distance between them, the measurement, is also so perfectly formed in nature. If you see the honeycomb, look at the hexagon shape. It's so beautifully arranged and it's a repetition. So, this is a pattern. Even the sunflower seeds are arranged in such a way that you will be amazed at the measurement of it. They are so well arranged that one set of seeds look as if they come from inside to outside, while another set of seeds go from outside to inside. And they have a perfect measurement to it. Flowers like these, if they are cut, the symmetry, that is one side, looks so very much like the other side. So these are all patterns in nature. This river delta that is formed near the mouth of the sea is a patchwork like this. A pattern is formed like this. The same pattern can be seen on the canopy of a tree. The same pattern is repeated in a lightning. The same pattern is there in every inch of our body because our blood vessels look like this. So, from this, we come to know this pattern is repeated in the nature. The rangolis that your mothers may draw in front of the house have so many geometrical figures: rectangle, triangle, bands, semicircles, circles, oval, oblongs. All these are repeated. It is repeated in such a way that it forms a beautiful pattern. The dots that are kept to make a rangoli is kept in such a way that itself is a pattern. 1, 3, 5, 7. Then it goes into diminishing. Then 5, 3, 2, 1. So this kind of a repetition or a sequence, one after another, it repeats itself, is a pattern in itself. For this, you have to observe, watch the different shapes and how it is repeated, or what is the relationship in that sequence. Now look at this pattern in front of you. There is a green rectangle, a blue oval, a green rectangle, blue oval, green rectangle, blue oval. Now automatically you know the next one will be a green rectangle and then a blue oval. Same with the triangle, square, triangle, square, triangle, square. Red, yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow. So automatically the next pattern will be a red triangle and a yellow square. Now look at these hexagons and pentagons. One hexagon, one pentagon, one hexagon, one pentagon, one hexagon, one pentagon. So next will be a hexagon, purple color hexagon, and a chrome color pentagon. Similarly, here too the color and the shape changes. And look at the smileys. One has teeth, one has eyes. One has teeth, one has eyes. So the same thing is repeated. The sequence follows. So you have to observe this, and then the next one will be a teeth one, and then followed by an eyes one. Look at these hearts. A big heart, small heart. Big heart, small heart. Big heart. So next will be a small heart. So you have to check what is repeated, whether it is color, whether it is shape, whether it is anything else, the numbers. Now look at the next one. Hexagon, big one. Then two small hexagons. Then another big hexagon. So next two will be small hexagons. So look at this sequence, children. There are two shapes. One is circle, another is triangle. One circle, one triangle. One circle, one triangle. But there are also colors: green circle and blue triangle. So you have to look at all these things. So you can see each alternating the other. Green, blue, green, blue, green, blue, green. Next will be a blue triangle. Now look at all these smileys. The first smiley has a teeth shown. The next one, eyes are shown. The next one, automatically, if it is a sequence, then teeth, then eyes, teeth, eyes. Then what will come next? Again, it will be a smiley with a big smile to the smile. So this way the sequence occurs. Now look at this. Here all the shapes are in the same color. orange. Now what makes it different? The shapes. So here triangle, the next hexagon, hexagon, triangle, two hexagon, one triangle. So here only one hexagon is there. What will be the next? Another hexagon. And after that, a triangle. Now look at these hearts. All are pink, but all are hearts. But what is the difference? Big and small. So big, small, big, small, big, small heart. Now look at the hexagons. All are hexagons. All are same color. What is the difference? The size. First one, not only size but also the number. One big hexagon, two small hexagons. One big hexagon, two small hexagons. After this, another big hexagon will come. Now look at the stars in the next one. Blue, all blue stars, and two big stars, one small star. Two big stars, one small star. All right. Now look at the next one. All the top line is filled with diamonds. Now all these diamonds are same size, no change in shape or size, but there is difference in colors. Red, green, red, green, red. Next will be green. Now look at the stars. All are stars, same size, but change in the color. Blue, orange, blue, orange, blue, orange. Now flowers. Here, all are flowers. All are same size. But what is difference? Colors and numbers. There are two red, two blue. Two red, so next will be two blue. Hearts also similar. Here, same size, same number two, but colors are different. Two green, two red. Two green, again two red will come. The last sequence, two yellow, one red, two yellow, one red. So that's the sequence of the pictures. Now look at this sequence over here of the patterns. Blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. Next, blue. Next, red. Next, blue. Next, see this sequence. A standing N, a sleeping N, a standing N, a sleeping N, a standing N, a sleeping one. Standing N, sleeping N, standing N. What must come next? Sleeping N. Here is a little change in the next sequence. There are all squares and triangles. All the squares of the same color, purple. All the triangles are of same color, yellow. But what is difference is there is a triangle looking towards the bottom. The next triangle looks towards the right. Bottom, right. So, one purple square, one yellow triangle looking towards down. Next, purple, the next one is looking towards the right. Third one, purple square, triangle looking down. Fourth one, purple, triangle looking towards the side. Next, purple triangle, what will come next? Yes, one triangle looking downwards, then purple square. The next triangle will be facing towards the right. Now look at the sequence on top. A green oval and a double triangle. Then a hexagon which is blue in color. So it is repeated everywhere till the end. Now you have got a double triangle. After the double triangle, what will come? Yes, one blue hexagon. What will come next? Again, double triangle. What will come next? A green oval. Now look at the rangoli stump. A white rangoli, a black rangoli. White, black, white, black. So next will be white and then black. So this is how patterns are. Now watch this sequence and patterns in tables. Now you have learned all tables, children. Tables are nothing but a pattern in numbers. Okay, so every there is a pattern in the numbers. Watch this. 9 ones are 9. Now look at all the numbers in red. All the numbers in red are in ascending order. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And all the numbers in blue are in descending order. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Alright. So this is a pattern. There is a pattern to the. So if you realize the first pattern, first two patterns, okay, 0, 9, then the 0 increases to 1, 9 decreases to 8. If you understand that sequence, then you will be able to put all the sequence properly. Same way with numbers being multiplied by tens. If 6 multiplied by 10 is 60, 6 multiplied by 100 is 600. 6 multiplied by 1000 is 6000. 6 multiplied by 10,000 is 60,000. So all you have to do is, if 1 0 here, 1 0 there, 2 0 here, 2 0 there. So, if you understand that sequence, next time when anybody asks you to multiply any number by any of the tens, you will know that all you have to do is put the number and add the number of zeros and you get the answer. Same way with the 7 tens are 70, 7 hundreds are 700, 7 thousands 7,000. 7 into 10,000, 70,000. Look at this curious number. 37 multiplied by 3 will give you 111. Now, multiple of 3, that is 3 2s are 6. 37, 6 are 222. The double of the first product. If you go to the third number, 3, 6, 9. See, these are 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15 are multiples of 3. Now you're multiplying number 37 by the multiples of 3. And when you do that, the answers that you get is amazing. 111, 222, 333, 444, 555. You continue doing the rest in your rough book. After 15 will be 18. So you write the table of 3 and use that to multiply 37 to find the rest of the numbers. Now once you get these numbers, you know automatically 37 multiplied by 18 will be 666. 37 multiplied by 21 will be 777. So this is how you understand a pattern. And once you understand a pattern, you will be able to solve any problem easily. So in everything, try to look for pattern. In mathematics especially, once you understand the pattern of doing a particular sum or finding the solution or solving a problem, you will be able to apply that same problem solving method in your life too. Patterns help you to solve. So, children, remember to understand the sequence of the pattern. Thank you.